Chef Pat Marone here. How you doing? Tonight I'm making chicken marsala for dinner, and I'm going to share my recipe with you. So, let's get cooking! All right, we're going to start our chicken marsala now. I got a medium-high heat. I got a little extra virgin olive oil in there. I'm going to put a little bit of butter. And then I have chicken cutlets. I have them, I season them with salt and pepper, and then I dredge them in flour. So we're going to let this oil and butter get a little hot, then we're going to throw them in. Now it's ready to put our chicken in there. Ready? I'm going to crowd the pan, do a couple of batches of it. Like that. A pound of chicken cutlets, thinly sliced, we're using. I'm going to turn them over. Cook them for a few more minutes. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of chopped garlic. I put a little more chopped garlic. And let that cook in there nice. Wow. Smell that garlic? Well, I mean, I can smell the garlic, but it looks as good as it smells as good as it looks. Then we're going to throw our mushrooms in there. Let that cook a little more. We'll put a little more butter in there. Add a little pepper. Add a little bit of salt. I'm using some sea salt tonight. I'm going to add the masala wine. For anybody who wants to know what type of masala I usually use Florio Dry. I haven't been able to find it. I don't even know if it's out there anymore. It probably is, but that's what I used to use. Today I picked up some stuff called Opichi, so I'll let you know how it tastes after I eat it later. We're going to hit it with a little bit of chicken stock. All right. Put some fresh Italian parsley in there. And we're going to let that reduce down a little bit more. And we're going to throw the chicken in. All right, the sauce has been reducing down nice. And now we're going to add the chicken back in. Spread it around in there. Let that cook a little bit. And there's your chicken marsala. Now for the taste test. Got the chicken, get a little mushroom in there. If I can get it on a fork, I'm going to try it out. Very good. First time I tried this wine, Opichi. Not bad at all. Very good. Unbelievable. I didn't think I was a little nervous about using it because I'm used to using the Florio Dry Marsala, but this is excellent. So easy to make. You can make this at home tonight, whenever you want. You can make it with veal. You can do a lot of things. Thanks for watching my cooking videos and my comedy videos. Subscribe to my YouTube page, Pat Marone, and we'll see you soon.